Oh, it's in there.
Nintendo. What is that? Need for Speed Underground. We got Madden.
Hey.
NBA Street. Super Mario Strikers. And all the games.
Wow. Woo. Those are legit too. I can look at them and tell.
Ooh. Got the Padders.
Ooh, those are fire.
10.5. These are clean.
You like, I'm gonna have to keep them.
These are fire.
Bro, I seen something that's fire in there. I'm not even gonna spoil it.
Oh.
It's at the bottom. It's at the bottom.
All right, y'all. Welcome back to another storage unit video. Today, I paid $500 for this unit. Well, it was actually $400, but with fees and everything, it came out to just under $500 for this unit. So let's just get straight into it. Check that out. Check that out. As usual, I got my man's Derek, aka ATL Flipper, on the camera today.
What it do?
So, what you think about the unit so far, bro?
Man, I think it's a good unit, bro. Like, I would have paid $1,000 for it.
You would have paid
$1,000?
Woo!
Yeah.
See, ATL Flipper, he got that ATL money. I just moved from Arizona, so I still got that AZ money. So we gonna figure it out.
But one thing, bro, is like, when we got up here, I was like, man, look, the light don't even work, man.
Light don't even work. But as usual, you know, when you with the professionals, you always gonna be prepared. So he even had an extra light
right here
in the car.
Boom.
So it's like we always gonna come prepared. We always gonna know exactly what it is that we need. But let me show you guys exactly why I bid on this unit. So when you look first in some of the pictures, I seen this Nintendo GameCube sitting in the corner. And you guys know from a previous video when I bought that unit from a gamer, the GameCube was probably the only system that was actually missing. And when I grew up, I loved the GameCube. So when I seen this, I said, yo, I'm getting this unit. Then I seen this Apple MacBook computer right here. That's another thing that made me say he's probably into the PC tech type of stuff. So I gotta grab this unit as well. So those are the only two things I seen. But we're actually gonna start off with this bin just so I can get some space. What's this? Like a little chef. This is a little chef jacket here. But I did see that we had some shoes here in this tote. So we're gonna go ahead and start with this. Ooh, got the Padders.
Ooh, those are fire.
10.5. These are clean.
You like, I'm gonna have to keep them.
These are fire.
Yeah, that's money right there, bro.
I like those a lot. Okay, what else we got here? We got EQLZ. I remember this brand. So this brand is like a they usually do like basketball sneakers, stuff like that. We got these Crocs from Salehi Bembury.
Yeah, that's money.
This is money right here. And then we just got some regular Adidas slides and some house shoes. But man,
yeah,
that's a nice way to start off the unit right there. I didn't even see this in the pictures.
It's crazy, bro.
Really good right there.
That's over 100, I think, right there.
I hope so. I hope so. I wasn't even sure what this was. But let me check what's in here. Just some towels. Nothing crazy. What's in this box? Okay, you got a laptop.
Hey.
Got a laptop. Let me make sure it's not cracked. I don't know why we love finding cracked laptops.
Oh yeah, that's money right there, bro. It's
HP
good.
ProBook.
Oh, I don't have the battery to it.
No battery. All right, we're gonna sell that for parts. Oh, battery right here.
Hey.
We're gonna try to get that fixed so we can sell it not for parts.
Right.
Got the charger.
Oh yeah,
got
you
a bunch
good.
of little condoms in here. We got a watch. Let's see what this watch is about. Okay, nice little regular fashion watch, a little quartz. INC, what's that? Macy's.
Yeah, it's
little
nice.
Macy's quartz watch. Oh, we got another tote.
Bro, I seen something that's fire in there. I'm not even gonna spoil it.
Already? Oh.
It's at the bottom. It's at the bottom.
Let me see. Sneaker Town. What's in the Sneaker Town? This look like there's carpet in here. You know I'ma still check.
You never know. Maybe a gold chain at the bottom.
Got some laces for them padders.
Hey.
Got some more laces for something else. And y'all know we always need laces for these shoes, man.
Always, bro.
They always come in handy. Because when we sell shoes on eBay and on whatnot, it's always better to include laces.
Yeah.
Laces and insoles.
Especially when they're brand new.
Yeah, man. You don't want to not give people their laces in.
That's what I saw, bro.
This is a nice little Nike. Is it real? Is it real?
Yep.
Team Nike, yeah.
That's vintage,
This is the
right?
Nike team. This is an old one.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, zoom in on that.
Oh yeah, that's
old
fire.
one. Wow.
Jordan, y'all. Michael Jordan jersey.
Yeah, that's real good. I like that. What else we got? Got a t-shirt, Only Beats. He was a DJ or something, I don't know. There's some t-shirts here.
Oh, what's
More
that?
jerseys.
Let me see it.
This? Oh, this from Rude? Oh, this was Zara.
Oh,
Luigi
collab.
collab.
Woo!
It's actually fire. It's a size small.
That is, and it's like soccer, you know, with the World Cup going on.
Yeah. Zara Luigi piece. You got some more Zara pieces in here. It's not a bad little fashion. Okay, he was into that Zara Luigi collab. It's another one of those.
Oh, that's fire too.
He was into that. This is a vintage
Extra
piece.
something.
Mind like water.
I've seen that
Extra
shit before.
vitamins.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that's good. So clearly this guy was into fashion. And this is refreshing to me because I haven't been finding a lot of fashion stuff. More so tech or like shoes. But not a lot of, you know, fashion pieces. So that's always good. We got a nice little...
Hey, King of New York. What y'all say?
Oh, that's Pop Smoke? Oh, that's my dog. R.I.P.
Yep.
Pop Smoke. I used to listen to him all the time. But I don't really listen to rap no more, man.
Yeah.
All right, so that's it. That's it for the better clothes. But we did get some really good clothes in this one. So you was right, bro. There's gonna be some good stuff in this unit.
Yeah. I say that's about another
It's about another $100 bill,
Yep.
maybe a little more.
right there.
Okay, so we got these gateways, these T-Mobile gateways. I usually sell these on eBay for like $40 all day long.
It's money.
We got some more shoes here.
Hey.
Got some more shoes.
Ooh, dope, bro. That's a good bend.
Nice Yeezys. These are clean.
Woo. Those are legit too. I can look at them and tell.
Yeah, these are clean.
Yeah, they're legit. They're legit.
Ooh. These are like the shoes that he would cut the grass in.
Yeah, those are snake skin. That's money.
The snakeskin 11s. The IEs.
Yep,
And we got some Blazer lows.
that's money too.
Other shoe. Okay. These are a little rough, but you think we could clean these up, make them look good?
Oh, you already know.
Alright.
You know. I love cleaning shoes like that. You know what I mean?
Man, that's what you do. You good at it. You're real good at that. Get to this GameCube and whatever else is in this box. Oh, we got GameCube games. Let's go.
Oh, it's in there.
Nintendo. What is that? Need for Speed Underground. We got the game in it and it closes. So if y'all know about the GameCube, a lot of times this button would get stuck and be jammed, but it's opening perfectly fine. And we got some games in here. We got some games, Need for Speed. We got Madden,
Hey.
NBA Street, Super Mario Strikers, and all the games are
Wow.
1080 Avalanche.
That's money though.
Tony Hawk, all the games are in here. Yes, God is good.
Bro, I wanna know how much is a GameCube like on eBay?
Man, I'm gonna put the comps up on the screen, but just with me guessing, a GameCube is about 100 to 120.
That's money, bro. Yo,
And-
look, with all of this stuff, you got your money right back.
I think so. I think so. And all the games are actually in here, so that's really good. And the other big piece of this, I actually have a GameCube power supply, a OEM power supply, meaning the original one at the house. So even if we don't find it, I got it. I got it.
That's what's up.
Let's see what's in here.
Is it heavy? Got something in
It's
it?
like a camera case. You know me, bro. I always think everything's a camera case.
Right.
Air loop mask. I don't know what you know, some of these cases typically sell for some money. Galex bit. It looked like an Amazon thing.
Yeah,
I'm not
Amazon,
sure.
yeah. Oh, I hear change.
I had to add that to the change video. The next Coinstar haul. It looks like we have Nintendo
Xbox.
Xbox controller.
Let's go.
What is in this folder? Paperwork. Looks like some debit cards. Maybe
Yeah.
some gift cards. You know I had to look for the gift card. We got
Right,
a Starbucks
Starbucks.
reward. Okay.
Nice.
We got another Starbucks.
Up.
You're gonna check all of those.
Yep.
Not seeing anything else in here. I was hoping this was a safe. Or it seems empty. Yep.
Yeah.
Ronald Acuna bobblehead.
Oh,
Some of these
yeah.
bobbleheads be worth a lot of money, yo.
Well, you know, Ronald, you know, he's like the guy for the Braves.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Okay.
Brand new.
Brand new. Oh, he was NL MVP? Oh, yeah. You're right.
Yeah.
He is that, bro. You the National League MVP. Sheesh.
That's big.
Shout out to him. So this is the PC that I seen. The Apple PC. You're gonna have to clean that up, of course, but the casing alone is $100.
The casing, really?
Just like the outer shell, they sell for $100. So some people would use these and, you know, open it up and put in update the RAM, update the processor, all of those stuff.
Wow.
We got a gaming chair in the corner. So hopefully with the gaming chair means there's more games.
AK Racing.
Got a light
What
up
in the world? Where them fans at? That's perfect for that hat.
Got some change.
Hey, okay.
Got some change. Got
Look.
some money.
That's your little jar right there for the change, man. Start collecting your change.
Got some glasses. You know, some glasses are worth some money, but I'm not thinking these are it. These just look like regular home glasses. Leather hat. No name on the leather hat.
It's still unique.
Double-sided leather hat. This is just some pens.
You know where I think the money's gonna be at?
Where do you think the money's gonna be at?
In this bag down here, and in this case. I mean, in this plastic container right there.
It's heavy. You might be right. This is heavy. Whatever it is in here.
New Jersey Nets. That's a vintage bag right there.
What's in this bag? Oh wow.
Wow.
Tons of range balls too. These aren't even like some Titleist or anything. Just
So he was a golfer too? Wow.
the man had hobbies.
Isn't he was a gamer? He played.
Gamer. He had some hobbies. Played golf. He had some basketball shoes, so he hooped.
Yep.
Let me tackle this corner. Got some pillows. That'll all get donated. Some clothes. Let's see what's in here. So right now I got a whole tie collection. I'll probably just put a whole tie lot together and sell it that way. Guatemala, Fiddler, bourbon. I don't know that. Bunch of little hats. He had the
Ooh.
Valentino, but it's empty.
Dang.
Y'all know me, I love the fragrances, y'all, but those are empty. What kind of glasses are these? Hendrix 2?
They feel like quality?
Not really. And we got
Uh-oh.
one little piece of ammo. This is a random
Bro, what if the Bang Bang was in here, bro?
bro, that's what I'm hoping.
That'll be
for.
crazy.
I ain't come across what I thought I would come across yet. All right, let's see. Cleaning products. Got some rubbing alcohol here. Just all cleaning products. Is anything else sticking out? Mr. Clean wash the shoes. Cleaning products. That's all we got in here. Starting to look kind of stuff. I'm like, where the money at?
I know.
Where the money at?
Air mattress.
You just talking about always finding air mattresses.
Yep.
Sell that at the flea market. And this is looking like the kitchen stuff here.
You don't want to get poked by that.
Yeah, this is such a weird shape thing.
Oh, there's the other piece to it. Look. On the back.
Oh, so it connects to this.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, we're gonna sell that whole piece.
Yeah, that's money right there.
We're gonna sell that whole piece. So we got Turtle Beach gaming headset. I think I did see some headphones on here at one point. I don't know what this is. This is a
a cross? Oh, that's actually fire.
wow. This was this like a big rosary? It looked like it was connected or something.
Like
Not necessarily a rosary, but
Like a chain type of
yeah.
or decoration.
So I think this piece goes on here like this.
Yeah, that's actually cool. Oh, so it's probably like a necklace.
Like a necklace or something you hang up on the wall.
Wow.
Got another golf bag. Let's check this out. Oh wow.
Wow, there it
Here's
is.
the GameCube stuff. Very good. So we do have the power supply, so that is good.
That brings the value up too.
Absolutely brings the value up. And that just kind of gives me a little more confidence that this is gonna work, you know. NBA Street game, let's see if it's in there. Very good. That game is gonna bring us some cash. Got the power supply. Got an OEM controller, but the back, I don't remember it being like this with the clear on the back and purple on the front.
Well, that might be like a special one.
It might be.
Cause I doubt he replaced it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it might just be something I'm not too familiar with.
But I know some of the controllers I've sold before, like the clear ones.
Yeah,
I've sold them
exactly.
for money.
That's what I'm talking about. And we got this GameStop aftermarket controller, so we'll just add that to it. Got the AV cable, OEM as well, and then got an aftermarket cable here. All right, y'all. So that makes me feel a little better. Is this empty? What kind of bag is this? Extreme Scooter Gear. Empty bag. Last little pile, got a chef thing. Got some gaming headsets. This one is broken though. Okay, this one.
That looks like money.
This one looks like it's good. This is also looking pretty good. Did this just fall off?
Yeah, I think so.
As soon as you said it looked like money, looked like trash now.
Look, you got another bobblehead right there.
Oh, who's this?
It's a big one.
81. Is this Tiger Woods?
Yep.
What? Tiny Champ Tiger Woods bobblehead. Hopefully the money is in that bag, y'all.
All the
Oh,
gold.
this is a beanbag chair. Well, that was. Here I am thinking I got something to look through. Just a beanbag chair. All right, y'all. This is the last thing to make some money. Let's see what we got. Let's see.
Okay,
Just
okay,
got
okay.
some clothes.
What is that?
Got a hoodie.
What type of hoodie is that, man?
Look like H&M or something. Yeah, Fashion Nova. Another little fast fashion piece. Just more clothes. Let me see. You gotta check the pockets. Okay, got some paperwork here. Got some toilet paper. And this, got some Advil. Some more
Cash.
paperwork.
Bro, if it's like a...
What if it's the cash right here?
That'd be crazy.
What if it's the cash right here? This is just looking like bills and paperwork. And this just looks like tax information, W-2s and things of that nature. Okay, we got a mic up here. Oh, this is a blue microphone. Okay.
And you got the stand right here, I think.
Oh, wow, yeah. Yeah, so this goes like this. And then this will probably attach to this. So that's cool.
Oh, yeah, that's perfect.
Got
Hey,
the blue microphone stand set up.
and when you go live, I mean, hey, that might be your little
I'm
mic.
telling you, that might be the whole setup right there. So that's not bad. I didn't even notice that. Unfortunately, on this unit, I think I'm probably either breaking even or probably making $100. But the good thing is this is an easy clean out. It's not gonna take too long. We've been here for about 35, maybe 40 minutes. But that's how it is sometimes in these units. I did get some good stuff, but other than that, anything you wanted to let the people know, Derek, about the unit?
Look, make sure you guys like and subscribe.
Yes. Like and subscribe, because y'all guys know I'm back on YouTube. Your boy's been gone for a minute, but I'm back now. So I need all of that support for the algorithm. But I feel good. I feel like I didn't lose anything. You know,
Right.
Sometimes you're gonna need to take a little risk here and there, but then sometimes you just, you know, you break even. This situation just broke even. So thanks for watching, y'all. I appreciate y'all for all the support. Drop a comment. Let me know which was your favorite find, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.